video, I'm going to talk a little bit about atmospheric pressure. But first, a quick demonstration. So, as you can see here, I've got a plastic bottle with a hole in it, and as you would probably expect, water's flowing out of the hole. But now, if I go ahead and close the cap, like this, the water stops flowing. Now, why would that be? Well, first let's talk about why the water flows out when the cap isn't on. The reason for that is the same reason why apples fall from trees: gravity. So without the cap, we would say in physics the force acting on the water is gravity, which pulls the water down and out of the bottle. Okay, so now what's going on when we close the cap? Well, you know how fish live down in the bottom of the ocean? Have you ever wondered what it would be like to live under all that water? One of the major effects of living underwater is that all that water on top of the fish actually weighs quite a bit. And luckily though, it doesn't end up pushing the fish down. Instead, the force that's on them gets spread out over their whole body. So in effect, they kind of just end up being squeezed from all over. And that squeezing from all around is called pressure. Now here's the kind of surprising part. We humans live under an ocean too. It's just that our ocean is made of air instead of water. So the stuff our ocean is made of is a lot lighter. But since it's so deep, going all the way from here up to the border between sky and space, it actually ends up weighing quite a lot. And so we're being kind of squeezed from all around too, by something called atmospheric pressure, which just means pressure from the atmosphere, which is a fancy word for sky. Now, let's get back to the bottle. When I put the cap on, two things happen. First, for the first couple seconds, water actually does continue to flow out, and as it does, air escapes from the bottle as well, which means that after a few moments, there'll be less air up in this top area than there was before, which means less weight pushing down on the water and less pressure pushing it out of the bottle. And eventually, once enough air has escaped from the bottle and can't get back in because the cap is on, the atmospheric pressure is able to cancel out gravity. And so the water in this hole right here is actually being held in the bottle just by the air around it, the big ocean of air, squeezing it and keeping it inside. So hopefully that video made sense, and thanks for watching.